Hey everybody, it's Coach John back with another how-to video, and today we're going to look at CrazyHouse. So CrazyHouse is a chess variant where the pieces move just like they do in regular chess. All right, there's only a few other different rules, but remember the pieces move just the same. So our pawns move like pawns, our knights move like knights, okay, our bishops move like bishops. You can still castle, okay, your queen moves like a queen. The only difference is when we make a capture. Now, when I go and capture this knight here, okay, he's going to jump down into this spot, and he's going to join my team. And then I can use him on my turn instead of moving one of the other units that I have on the board. So what does that look like? All right, so we capture him, and he jumps down here. And now they're going to capture us back, okay? And they're going to get a bishop of their own. Okay, cool. And that's basically how capturing works. Now, let's go ahead and talk about pawns, because pawns have a weird rule in this game. So let's capture a pawn. So now black has a pawn to use. Okay? Now, pawns are never allowed to remain pawns when they're on the first rank for the black pieces, or when they're on the 8th rank for the white pieces, because they promote into another piece. Okay? So if you try to put a pawn back here, it won't let you do it. Pawns also can never be on the first row of your own side of the board. So if I try to put a pawn back here, it won't work. But I can put a pawn anywhere else that I want, as long as it's within this rectangle and there are no other pieces or units on that square. It's what we call an empty square, something like this, okay? So the last rule is, let's say that one of these pawns made it all the way down and promoted, right? And it became a queen, and it got captured. It actually would turn back into a pawn. So promoted pawns, when they get captured, they demote back into regular pawns. Now, you still win the game by checkmating, and it is really, really important that you guys attack the king. But remember, you can't capture the king to win. You have to checkmate. So let's look at the rest of this game, because it's pretty fun. All right, so now we got a couple of units we can play with over here. Oh no, they made a pretty passive move over there, so we are going to jump in and start attacking right away. Now they're going to need to take this knight. All right, they got all this stuff that they can use. Oh, but here comes a pawn. That's crazy. It's going to drop a pawn in. All right, they take the pawn. All right, now this is a check, and knights are strong because they can't be blocked. So a paratrooper knight is incredibly strong, all right? He came right off the board, delivers the check. All right, runs away. And look, I didn't even have to use hardly any of my pieces to get a checkmate. All I need is to drop this pawn right here. And that is checkmate. The game is over, and white wins.